Hi family. So as you can see, enjoy experiencing travel. Doesn't have to be expensive. I'm out here at Sunset Beach, North Carolina on this beautiful sunny day. Enjoying, it's a little breezy, but it's still very comfortable weather-wise and temperature-wise. There's people out here on their boats, just taking in the good weather. There's a thruway up there. The bridge takes you across to the other side. And it is just awesome. So my point is, you can travel by plane, by train, by bus, by car, by walking. As you can see, there's seniors out here sitting on their chairs. It's a beautiful day and the grass is so pretty and green. And this is Sunset Beach, North Carolina. Me and my husband drove down here. We're actually looking for homes. And this is very addicting. I mean, I would really consider living here. Imagine having this at your doorstep. There he is, camera shy. But yeah, there's some more people on the boat here. Let me see if I can catch them. Body of water. And again, like I came across this sign during our walk. I haven't seen any alligators, but I'll be sure to let you know if I do. So some of the signs that you'll see posted here at Sunset Beach. There we go. A lot of people out here today. The weather's starting to get real nice. It rained the last few days, so I think a lot of people are coming out today because it is nice, putting their boats out on the water and taking advantage of the wonderful weather we're having today. And like I said, traveling does not have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be all tiresome. It's just a matter of getting out and just enjoying it. So hope you're having a good day, and I will share more with you as I come along.